A blinking blue and white light on your Spectrum modem indicates a connection problem between the modem and Spectrum's network. The blue light signals Wi-Fi status, while the white light shows the online connection. Simultaneous blinking usually means a synchronization issue, like low signal strength or a provisioning error where your modem isn't recognized by Spectrum's servers. Most often, it's caused by a faulty coaxial cable or outdated firmware. If the light is blinking, your internet is likely not working properly. Let's begin troubleshooting now. Let's begin the troubleshooting guide. Start with the first step, power cycle. Step 1, power cycle. Unplug modem and router for 60 seconds, then reconnect and wait 5 to 10 minutes. Step 2, check connections. Ensure coax cable is secure at both ends. Try a different cable if possible. Step 3, run signal tests. Use Spectrum's app or website to check signal levels. If downstream power is below 15 dB or SNR 30 dB, call support. Step 4, update firmware. In the My Account app, navigate to Equipment, Modem, check for updates. Step 5, factory reset, last resort. Press the reset button for 10 seconds, may require reprovisioning. Step 6, isolate the issue. Connect the modem directly to your PC, bypass router. Step 7, contact support. If unresolved, call 1-833-267-6094 with your modem model and error logs. Professional installation recommended. If these steps don't resolve the issue, professional installation is recommended.